Alright, guys, we are live. We are back with some more severe weather coverage. And today we're talking about mainly New York and the Northeast, basically, and also parts of Colorado, as they're against some storms right now. So, yeah, right now we have a few uh, severe thunderstorm warnings. We have a huge line right here. So, we'll just be watching this for about a couple hours. Depends how active it gets. But yeah, so. Let me make sure we're good. Yep, we are okay. All right. So we also have a tornado warning in Canada and towards Montreal. There was a huge tornado on the ground in Canada earlier. So we'll see how long ago that was. Yeah, it was a while ago right here. Heard people said that was a possible wedge. Now I don't know, I haven't seen any pictures of it yet, but if I see a picture I'll let y'all know. Yeah, we're mainly trying to cover New York right now, as we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather. We have two 5% chances of tornadoes today. Let me pull that up. There you go. You have the 5% right here. The storms are about to head into the 5% tornado risk in New York, and then we got one in Colorado. Right now they're in the 2% chance of tornadoes. These storms that are fired right now. Yeah, so storms should start becoming more intense from here on out. And yeah, we'll just I hope we don't get any strong tornadoes today. Yesterday I wasn't able to cover it, but we had a strong tornado hit almost downtown Chicago. It was heading straight for downtown Chicago. But luckily it lifted right before that. We also had twins in near someone near Chicago. We had twins in Illinois. Yeah, so we do have these line of storms, and as it moves more into the 5% tornado risk, I do think we can see a better chance for tornadoes. Could have some slight rotation with this. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a brief spin up. Yeah. All right. So yeah, so we'll be watching these storms as they could have embedded supercells. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. We just got to wait and see. All right. So yeah, we'll just wait and see. We do have these prefrontal storms. We'll go check these right now. It's like small bean cells. Was severe warned for 60-mile-per-hour winds and 1-inch hail. I'm expecting probably like 75-mile-per-hour winds today, maybe even close to 80. But yeah, we'll see. Let me make sure. All right. Let me change something real quick. There you go. We're okay now. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best right now, so just bear with me, y'all. Yeah, we're I also have a storm chaser in Colorado. I can't show his stream, but I cannot show his stream, but I will let y'all know if I see anything. So yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's see where he's at. All right. So yeah, I would not be surprised if like within the next hour we see maybe one or two brief spin ups. This severe thunderstorm warning has been extended for 1 inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So yeah, he's heading towards a severe thunderstorm warning right now in Colorado. I can actually show y'all where he's at. He's right here. I cannot pull up his stream, but as you can see, ooh, hold on. Maybe start to see some rotation soon with that storm. Yeah. Yeah, right now we do have uh a severe thunderstorm watch. Two, actually. Or no, three, I think. Right now I see two. There you go, three. Three severe thunderstorm watches. We have a tornado threat low. You have 2 plus, very low. Severe winds, moderate, and 65 knot plus winds. That's low. Moderate hail, moderate severe hail, and moderate chance for a 2 inch hail or greater. Yeah, so we'll see. These storms may start to rotate too. Let's see if one is tornado possible. They are one for 2 inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds, so we'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, so yeah, this storm chaser is heading towards a very. I think he's targeting this one. Can't tell, but I'll let y'all know when I do find out. All right, let me do something real quick. All right. All right. So I'm gonna keep an eye on these storms. I do need to get my ER2 up. There you go. Storms in Colorado. Saying 4 inch hail. That'd be pretty big. 4 inch hail. I don't know, man. But yeah, so let's go back up here to New York. Now this line got a severe thunderstorm warning extended for 0.75 inch hail, so that's like pea-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Let's go make sure to see if there's a tornado on the ground in Canada. Or maybe. Not sure. There are really strong storms though. That's for sure. But yeah. So also if anyone's watching and they want any like personal forecast, I can definitely do that too. If anyone's watching. All right. So yeah, we may have two, maybe tornadoes on the ground in Canada. I mean, they're really close to the radar, so I can't really tell. But there could be two. Oh no, we'll see. We shall see. All right. So we are. Let me go show y'all these mesoscale discussions also. It's for parts of South Dakota and far northeastern Nebraska. Says it says the area is being monitored for an increasing severe storm risk this afternoon. It says isolated thunderstorm development is underway along a weak confluence zone slash wind shift extending east southeastward across South Dakota this afternoon. This activity is developing along the eastern edge of an EML plume and related steep mid-level lapse rates atop an increasingly unstable boundary layer. Given an uncapped and moderately unstable pre-convective environment, storms may increase in intensity during the next couple of hours in 40 to 50 knot of effective shear, characterized by a long, mostly straight hodograph. Should support a mix of organized clusters and splitting supercells capable of producing large hail and severe gusts. While coverage of storms While coverage of severe storms is uncertain, convective trends are being monitored for a possible watch this afternoon. So yeah, that's we could be seeing storms in South Dakota very soon. All right, so let's see. Oh, we got two severe warnings in is that Iowa. Yes, it's Iowa for 1 inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts for both of them. They're really far away from the radar, so can't really see if there's any rotation with it. Doesn't look like there is much at all. But yeah, so we'll we'll be on the lookout for any rotation. Just gotta keep an eye out. So yeah, let's go back to Colorado as we have some pretty yeah he is going for this storm. I'm pretty sure. I think this storm is gonna try and drop a tornado. Let me check and see what it looks like on his stream. All right. Yeah, it's like a full blown supercell. Yeah, this is a strong storm. I see why they wanted for 2 inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gust. This is really strong. Let's see. Let's go to New York. A lot of wind reports and wind damage. There's a tree down on on an electrical pole. That was reported 5 minutes ago. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know how long we will be live for. It all depends on what happens with these storms. I think we'll be live for about maybe 2, 3 hours. We'll just have to see. All right, guys, give me like 1 second. All right, I am back. All right. So, I don't understand why this storm is warned for 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. It's literally a small cell. But, yeah, I mean, if they think it should be warned, then I guess it should be warned. But, I don't know. There may start to be rotation on this Colorado storm. Yeah, so I think this storm could start and try to become tornadic and start rotating. What you guys see? I think maybe within the next 20 minutes it could become tornadic. But we'll see. We shall see. This line is also moving at like 50 miles an hour. Yeah, moving east at 40. So yeah, pretty fast moving line. I mean, I've seen faster, but you know, still 40 miles an hour is still pretty fast for a storm. Now, luckily, this line is not moving at like 20, 25. That'd be pretty slow for a line. Like I said at the beginning of the stream, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a brief spin up, especially with that line. Yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on that Colorado storm, definitely. Maybe there could be a brief spin up at the end of this line. We shall see. I think there might be. Yes, TRG.
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I'm live here, and of course you're live as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, you've seen anything yet? Anything that should catch your eye? I do want to note, Mount Airy, North Carolina, definitely had a couplet of rotation a few scans ago.
Hmm.
A tight couplet.
I
Tight
did
couplet.
not see that.
Yeah, it was before we were even live, just west of Mount Airy. Could have honestly dropped a tornado, classic supercell with a hook echo in Mount Airy. Very rare, very very rare.
Yeah.
You could go look at that if you need to. But yeah, I think you said watch that Colorado
Oh
storm.
yeah. Go look at it. It's
Whoa,
yeah.
whoa,
Definitely
dude!
becoming tornadic.
I left that thing for 5 minutes and it's over here with a humongous hook echo.
And the rotation is
Wow.
there too. At first I thought it was corruption, but now it's lining up.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that drops a tornado any second, to be honest.
Yeah.
Um, do you know if there's any reports of funnel or wall cloud?
Not that I know of. I can check real quick. I I don't think so. Yeah, as of right now, no. Also,
Okay.
another spot that I found, look at the line in New York.
Yeah, I've been watching that. Let me go to that right now. Okay.
Go
What radar?
to KTYX.
ATYX. That's this one. Okay, I'm on that.
Alright, now if you go like down a little bit, kinda like near the end of the line, that has caught my
Towards
eye.
like Holland Park
Holland Park.
or Holland. What is that? Patient? That's not Park. Rome, near Rome.
Yeah, yeah, I did see something. There's two places that
Oh yeah,
maybe.
I do see that. That's awkward because it's outflow with inflow instead of inflow with outflow.
Yeah, it's I don't know. I'm just saying there could be a brief spin up with this line.
Yeah. All right. That's good to know. Thank you.
Of course.
All right. So yeah, I'm good.
All right. Yeah, I forgot to mention TRG is in the background. He is also live. So yeah, we're hello there, Hank. How are you? Thank you for joining today's stream. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna go to that Colorado storm. Really, that's gonna be my main focus. Yeah, there honestly should be a tornado warning with that. Oh, can I show that? I almost showed it on accident, but I have it streamed right here. All right. Let's see. I'm trying to see if he's gonna show anything. Right now it looks like a shelf. Looks like, but we'll see. Yeah. So we're keeping an eye on this storm. So yeah, I think it should be tornado warning within the next couple minutes. But yeah. So now something to know. He was driving away from the storm a little bit. Maybe he's trying to get ahead of it more. Cause maybe he might think that it might drop a tornado. I think it possibly could. They are in a tornado environment. Like they have the ingredients for a tornado to form. Yeah. So we'll just see. I do see. I'm pretty sure I see a wall cloud. We'll see. Think think that may be a wall cloud, or we might have to give it like another minute or two, cause this could be tornado. This could drop a tornado within the next like 15-20 minutes. Really just depends. So yeah, um, Hank, if you're still here, thank you for joining today. Really appreciate it. Also, how are you doing today? Can't forget to ask that. Yeah, this Storm Chaser is awfully close to this. Wait for next scan. Make sure there's not any tornado warnings in New York. So yeah, we're gonna leave this for like a couple minutes. I don't know why that's still severe warned, but it may have 60-mile-per-hour winds. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna be watching this part right here, really somewhere around here for any rotation or any brief spin ups. Because like I said earlier, this line is capable of producing maybe a couple brief spin ups. Yeah, so we just gotta wait and see. Think that we could see one here shortly. Let's go to Colorado one and see if there's a new scan in. Because I am waiting for that new scan. Yeah, there is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a wall cloud on this Storm Chaser's stream. Let me go and tell TRG. Hey TRG.
Yes.
I do have a chaser on this Colorado storm. I'm sure you know if you look at Radar Mega. I think I do see on his stream. I'm watching it. I think there may be a wall cloud.
Not shocked at all.
Yeah,
I think that latest scan's corruption there, where it
yeah.
shows no rotation. I think there is rotation.
Oh yeah, it definitely looks like there's rotation.
I don't know if you went over the wall of mesoscale discussions in the planes.
I did do one. I did do one.
Yeah, there's 4 now.
4 now?
Yes. One is already turned into a watch, and another one's about to be a watch, and then the other 2 are possible watches, 40%.
All
So yeah,
right.
thanks for bringing that to my attention again.
Of course. Yeah, so definitely could see uh a decent tornado maybe with this storm. I would not be shocked at all. Like I said, it is in a 2% tornado risk. So that is a low end tornado threat, but with this storm I wouldn't be surprised really. It has been trying for like the past 20-30 minutes. So yeah, we're trying to watch this stream closely. Yeah, alright. I'm trying to make sure that I'm caught up on his stream. Need to make sure that I can see like almost real time if there's like a tornado or anything on the ground. So yeah, that's something to watch. Let's go over this. We already went over this one. This one is for parts of New York and Vermont. Says the threat for scattered to numerous damaging winds will continue to increase this afternoon. Also says, let me read the discussion. Convection has generally consolidated along the cold front across western / central New York this afternoon. A moderately to strongly unstable air mass is present along / ahead of these thunderstorms, with mid-level CAPE of 1,500 to 2,000 joules per kilogram, estimated by latest meso-analysis. A couple of discrete thunderstorms with occasional supercell characteristics have developed ahead of the line across northern New York. Isolated severe hail may occur with this activity. Steepened low-level lapse rates in 0.3 kilometer layer around 7 to 8 Celsius per kilometer will aid in efficient mixing of stronger downdraft winds to the surface. And given the mainly linear nature of the convection ongoing along / near the front, scattered to numerous damaging winds are Expected to be a primary severe threat through the rest of the afternoon. On 25 to 35 knots southerly, low-level jet remains focused across New York and Vermont into southern Quebec. Associated low-level shear appears sufficient to support some updraft rotation and tornado threat with both the discrete thunderstorms ahead of the line and within the line itself. So basically, it's gonna be a wind and an isolated tornado threat. That's the threat for this. Yeah, so we'll check this one too. And this is for, this is for parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, and Colorado. And hold on, guys, I'll be right back. All right, I am back. So yeah, we'll read this discussion also. Let me check real quick. The Colorado storm. Yeah, I still think there is definitely rotation with that. Wouldn't be surprised at all. I'm back. So yeah, definitely something to watch. We're gonna check his stream again. All right, we are. Yeah, we are close to seeing maybe a tornado possible. Wonder if it's tornado possible on the storm. It did get upgraded to 2.5-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So, with that being said, this is possibly starting to turn almost destructive, really. zero point 0.7 dime-sized hail and heavy rain were reported. Train Spot reported that. And then we had 2.75-inch hail. Public report of 1/4 to 3/4 inch average sized hail that began about 30-45 minutes ago. At the time of the report, a few baseball-sized stones were falling. So that baseball-sized hail were starting to fall from the sky with this storm. Doesn't surprise me at all. But yeah, so we will see. I think this storm is gonna try and produce a tornado. Without a doubt. So yeah, definitely something to keep an eye on. This Colorado storm. No, why not? Let's open this. Let's open WSV3. In this environment, we do have SRH, which is storm relative helicity, up to about 100 meters squared. So yeah, we'll see. We got plenty cape. Talking over 2,000 joules per kilogram, upwards of 3,000. But yeah, so got a decent amount of SRH that this thing could be trying to become tornadic. So yeah, definitely not surprised at all by if it goes tornado warned, because we have the ingredients in place. Really do. Let's go back to this. So this really could start becoming tornadic pretty rapidly.
Hey, Lucky.
Charity has something? Yes.
Massive tornado is either on the ground or about to be on the ground in Canada. They just issued a new warning on top of the radar site in Montreal, Canada. Massive hook echo that's visible even though it's on top of radar. Still visible.
Oh yeah, I see that.
And the new watch. I don't know if you went over that. They
Did
just issued a new watch
like just now?
about 2 minutes ago.
Then yeah, I haven't went over it yet. I just
Okay.
finished mesoscale discussions.
Yeah, so the one in northeastern Colorado turned into a watch, and they just issued a mesoscale discussion for the potential for a watch in Texas, Oklahoma, and northeastern New Mexico.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's main thing was that extension for the tornado warning in Canada. Huge hook echo there.
Yeah.
I
So yeah, we'll go over that watch real quick. First, let's go back to the line in New York. So we'll look at that real quick. See if anything's there. Yeah, don't see anything really. Yeah, don't really see anything with the storms in New York right now, but that could change very fast. So let's go over.
lucky I got another thing.
Yes.
They just put a destructive on that Colorado cell, and it's definitely rotating now.
Yeah, I'm not
You can
surprised that they put it as destructive.
Yeah, that's PDS for 2.75-inch hail right there. Destructive severe. And its latest scan shows a couplet definitely trying to form. Really already formed. That's what I wanted to tell you right there.
All right. Thank you for that. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, TRG's right. This couple is starting to form big time. Let me go check that storm chaser. Actually, he may have a good wall cloud on it. Let's see. All right, let's see. Does have a decent is definitely a full blown supercell. Definitely. It's like almost the whole thing's rotating. So let's go look at that watch real quick. So I'm guessing they just did the watch. Yeah, there we go. Tornado threat low. EM2 plus very low. Moderate severe wind and low chance of 65 knot plus winds. And severe hail is moderate and moderate chance for 2% hail or not 2%, 2-inch hail or greater. Yeah, so this is for parts of northeast Colorado, western Nebraska, southwest South Dakota, and southeast Wyoming. So yeah. All right, hold on, guys. Let me take a water break real quick. All right. So yeah, this storm in Colorado really should be tornado warned. Let's wait for this next velocity scan. Yeah, so storm this these line of storms, also these prefrontal storms. These storms that form ahead of the line be could start becoming like severe and also tornadic. I'm pretty sure that's what they said in the mesoscale discussion. But yeah, wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a tornado with one of these. Yeah, right now, let's real quick. Oh yeah, definitely. That cup was definitely forming big time. So real quick, before that becomes really tornadic, probably have a decent tornado on the ground in Canada. Don't know. Let's see if it. Let's see. Yeah, definitely a good chance for that there's a tornado on the ground with this storm. It's literally right over the radar, like right here. This is basically the hook right here. And just updated. Let's see. See if velocity updated also. Yeah, we'll wait for that to update. And yeah, we'll see. Definitely definitely a good chance for a tornado to be on the ground right now in Canada, right over the radar. This is just like 20, maybe like 50 miles north of Montreal. So yeah, so definitely be indoors. Go to your safe spot. Uh, Do not go outside, as this could be a dangerous tornado on the ground. Let's see. This is it. This is it right here. It definitely could be a tornado on the ground. So definitely don't be outside trying to take pictures of it. It's not worth it at all. Cause you never know. It could just start come. It might come and suck you up. Really. And then yeah, that's not gonna be good at all. And let's go to that Colorado storm again. Let's see the velocity. Definitely a couple of trying to form, that's for sure. Alright, that's a decent. I'm pretty sure that's a wall cloud. Decent wall cloud, that's for sure. Yeah, definitely will not be surprised if this drops a tornado. Yeah, it really should be tornado one right now. Really should. Don't know why it's not tornado warned. So let's hope that this does not drop a tornado. But I mean, if it happens, sometimes it just happens, man. I mean, it really sucks though. Yeah. So like I said, we're really just watching this Colorado storm right now. Really just watching this Colorado storm for real. Definitely the most tornadic storm right now, other than that Canada one. So yeah, would not be surprised if this drops a tornado within the next 15 minutes. I would say. So let's see what it looks like on the uh the analysis radar. Yeah, that's definitely some pretty tight rotation. Definitely don't think it's on the ground though. So that's good. So yeah, definitely decent wall cloud on this Storm Chasers stream. Wouldn't be surprised if I don't know why they haven't tornado warned it yet though. That's I don't know. Yeah, we'll definitely I think maybe this storm could also become tornadic soon. Don't know though. We'll see. Yeah, so we'll see. We shall see. There's also a severe storm in Iowa. Let's go check that out real quick. Let me stop this real quick. There we go. All right. Let's go to. Also, we have a severe storm in Nebraska. Also, I think these just formed. Also, don't know. It just like blew up. Oh yeah, these just blew up. Already one for 1.75 inch hail and less than a 50 mile per hour winds though. So this one's mainly just a hailer. And if you guys haven't already, please like the stream so we can spread the word out to people because liking the stream helps YouTube do its thing and pushes it out to more people so that we can give coverage to people that actually need it. Also, if you haven't already, you can subscribe too because we will be live a lot more so that we can grow this channel, help people with anything that they need, give them any coverage. Yeah, I do want to mention. I'll look at this later in a stream, but I do want to mention there is a 60% chance for development in the Atlantic right now. We do have a hurricane in the Eastern Pacific, and at 75 mile per hour winds is going to become a Category 2. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so just wanted to briefly mention that real quick. Pretty sure. Yeah, they're nothing in the Central Pacific. Yeah, so just wanted to mention that real quick. Yeah. Oh, we did just get the new Outlook too, so whoa. Hey TRG.
Yep.
Um, what's wrong with the Outlook on the SPC?
What do you mean?
If you go to my I don't, I'm not sharing my
Let me
screen.
see.
I don't know if it's messed up for you, but it's definitely messed up for me.
What's messed up with it?
There's two enhanced risks, but it's yesterday's Outlook, but it's
Also today's? Send me a screenshot.
yeah, it's literally I'll send you the date too. It's literally yesterday's Outlook on today's date.
Well, use that link. That's the better one. It may just be bad for now. I've had it happen before.
If you look, that's
Oh
like
yeah, yeah, that's yesterday's.
yeah,
Yeah, click that link above. See if that's the newer one.
yep, that's better. Thank you.
Yeah.
I was about to say I don't know if you saw that. Oh,
Yeah,
they added
that's
a
just
small
for you.
2% in
Yep.
is that West
And
Virginia?
whatever that place is called.
Is that West Virginia?
Yeah, West Virginia, extreme northeastern Kentucky, and extreme south central Ohio.
Man, that must be just literally for one storm, probably. I mean,
It's training cells. You can see them. It's training storms in that area. Wow. Okay, I see why they added that specifically for that cell in Charleston, West Virginia. Use the West Virginia radar site there.
did you see the Nebraska ones? The
No,
severe.
I haven't looked at Nebraska. That's wow. That's only one for 50-mile-an-hour winds, lucky, and it should be 70
Yeah,
in central
yeah.
Virginia.
They literally just blew up. Like literally came out of nowhere.
Let's see, Nebraska. Whoa, 3-inch hail possible with that. Yeah, considerable already for hail.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. That's it. Yeah. So definitely, definitely messed up. I don't know. I don't know what was wrong with it, but definitely messed up on the outlook. Yeah. So yeah, we do have still 5% for tornadoes. I'm pretty sure these storms. Let me see if Colorado one. Let's see. Let me go look at that person's stream. Definitely a nice storm. All right. I think this storm is starting to maybe fall apart. I don't know. I gotta see. It could be falling apart, but I think these storms are moving into the 5% tornado risk area. Yeah, they are. So, tornado warning with this storm. TRJ, we do have a tornado warning for the Colorado storm. Not the one that we've been watching, but the other one.
Yes. Did you know it is on the ground?
It's on the ground.
It
Okay.
is. It is observed.
It is.
Yep, on the ground right there.
That's. Honestly, I did not expect
Crazy.
that.
Yeah, I saw the couplet one scan ago, but it wasn't strong enough to really be concerned. Yeah, I
Is
thought
there a
it was
closer radar to
corrupted at
that?
first.
Oh,
Yeah, there's one in Pueblo, Colorado, South Central Colorado.
all right.
Gives a better look at it. I
Yeah, so we do have a confirmed tornado on the ground. Let's see. Confirmed tornado was located near Boyero, or 20 miles southeast, southwest of Flagler, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Well, that spot was confirmed tornado. Let me see if someone's on this storm. No, there is no one on the storm as of right now. I mean, there is, but they're not live right now, so we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Said it is a confirmed tornado on the ground. So yeah, definitely a decent storm. I'm not really surprised that it's on the ground because it is in that 5% tornado risk, but you know, can't really see. I mean, you can, but it's not this one. This one. This one makes it look this radar makes it look like it's like really strong rotation. So yeah, we'll see. I don't see a CC though. So yeah, I don't know. I don't see a CC, but man, this one right here and this other one in Colorado is like rotating rapidly. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Would not be surprised at all if we get a tornado on the ground with this one. Yeah. All right. So yeah, definitely be in your safe spot if you're in this polygon. Do not try to go outside and see the tornado because you may not be able to see it, or it could be coming straight for you. And then yeah, just definitely go to your safe spot. Don't take any chances. Yeah. Definitely. I do think it is on the ground. I'm not surprised, but I don't really see it like that. You gotta see. Gotta get a better scan of it. Let's see if they got a better scan of it. Okay, I think that's gonna.
Here, Lucky.
Yes.
There's an extension for the tornado watch and a time extension as well. It used to be for like 200 minutes in Canada. It's now for 468 minutes.
Man, that's crazy.
And there is 9 tornado watches in effect for Canada.
Oh,
9.
9. Oh,
One big area, but 9 watches. They keep adding on to it with new watches.
is it like one for every county or something?
It's gotta be. Um, I don't have any confirmation of that storm being on the ground, either in Colorado or in Canada. So that's good,
Yeah.
I assume. But yeah, that's what I mainly wanted to tell you. 9 tornado watches in effect in Canada.
Yeah, that storm in Colorado, the one that's not tornado, one that should have been, is
Multiple times.
yeah, is ramping back up again.
Only problem with that is these storms are so close. You see that rain band
Yeah.
coming from the top of the tornado warned one and the hook echo as well. They're so close that they're literally taking each other's energy here.
Yeah.
Um, it's just a mess cluster right now. They've got to try to organize if they can. But yeah,
If this was like way more discreet, oh yeah, we would probably have a tornado on the ground also with that storm.
yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we've already had a tornado on the ground with it, but there is chasers on that, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. All right, let me get that chaser back up. So he's still on it. It's definitely still rotating. So it just gotta like it's gotta get through all this rain that's coming into the storm. It's gotta like get more organized again. So yeah. All right. So we're gonna keep an eye on this observe tornado warning. Maybe don't see it being on the ground, but I can look for let me look. Yeah, definitely not surprised though. Yeah. Um that was about to not be good. All right. Let's see if I can Hmm. Yeah, NanoCast has a 10% tornado risk for like way up northeast. Man. All right. Definitely ooh. That's I'm trying to look for a picture, y'all, or a video of the tornado. Don't think there is one though. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't see any right now. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see if anything comes in. Man, man, this is crazy. There's a tornado in Canada. All right, back to covering storms. We'll see. We'll see what we'll see what happens with this Colorado one that should have been tornado warned. I think it is starting to like yeah, it's definitely breaking apart. It's getting broken up by the storm that is tornado warned. So yeah.
Hey, Lucky.
Yep.
Two things. I believe that there is a tornado on the ground there in Canada. If you look in the Discord server, Ethan provided us with a picture from Twitter that shows a tornado on the ground. I think that's going to be maybe the southern one in Montreal there. There's a pretty tight couplet there, but it could also be the northern one. I mean, there's like 3, 4 areas of rotation in that line up there in Canada, but there's a tornado on the ground somewhere in Montreal.
Yeah.
And then if you use the radar site in southeastern New York, KENX, that's going to be southeastern New York, like I said, and look
Uh-huh.
to the north. There's multiple clusters of thunderstorms there. I wouldn't be surprised to see a few tornadoes out of those clusters there. A
Yeah,
lot would
ahead
go
of the line.
unwarned. Yeah, a lot of them would go unwarned because it's just going to be brief spin up tornadoes. And it's partially in that radar dead zone, so I wouldn't be shocked. And now there's a third thing. Severe thunderstorm watch just got issued for the panhandle of Oklahoma, Texas, and extreme northeastern New Mexico.
Man,
Yeah. Okay.
a lot of
I think
stuff.
I told you everything. Yeah, I think I
Yep.
got everything. That's it.
The storm also forming west of Amarillo. Special weather statement right now.
Let me see that.
Oh,
Amarillo.
I think you can see it. Oh man, look at that. There's a lot of recent like you can see it forming stuff. Look at that. It's like the
The
whole
recent
thing's rotating.
scans. Where are you looking?
West of Amarillo.
Okay, that's what I thought you said. But then you said rotating, and I was like, wait, Canada? Yeah, that fires off of an outflow boundary.
Yeah, that's a very strong alpha boundary too.
Yeah. All right, that's all I had.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I don't know. Well, let's go check the one in Canada real quick, and we'll come back to the one in
Sorry, got something else.
now you're good. What's up?
The cell over North Creek. Wouldn't be surprised if that's got a tornado on the ground using that radar in New York. It's very far, so we're looking really high up in the atmosphere, which makes me think that there's probably rotation with that storm. Mini supercell in pretty much over North Creek at this moment. No correlation because we're too high up. You know, we're far away from the radar. Can't trust that. but definitely something to take notes on.
Where is it at? You said which radar? The KENX?
Yeah, sadly, very small, very far away there in Albany, New York. That radar, almost in that severe. It's just south of that severe for the clusters
I think I know what
in
you're talking
North
about.
Creek.
If you zoom in on like uh Radar Omega, is it near Siamese Ponds?
Let me see. Let me go
Just
to
never mind, I found it. West of North Creek.
North River. Yeah, west
South
of North Creek.
Yeah, west of North Creek, south
Edwards
of North
Hill,
River.
Oregon. Yep, that
Also
whole area.
also just northwest of North River. Maybe. I think that's it.
Northwest. You mean north?
Well, same yeah. It's
Yeah,
like
the cell above it.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Definitely
see
right
that. And then the
about
cell
the
to its southeast as well.
Oh yeah.
Wow, yeah.
I mean,
That's what I was talking about. Spin up tornadoes possible right there.
oh yeah. I was talking about it
I
earlier.
don't know if that's a new tornado warning. Okay, no longer confirmed in Colorado. So that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, I'll tell you if I have anything else.
Alrighty. Yeah. So definitely if anyone's watching, go show Chargy some love. If you go to my channel and it'll say featured channels, I do feature on his channel a lot too. So yeah, we'll see. TRG could be right about those tornadoes maybe being on the ground, but like I said, it's too far. We're looking too far out. Definitely wouldn't be surprised though.
Now I have something very important.
Yep.
Tornado is definitely on the ground northeast of the Montreal radar site. There's higher reflectivity in that area, indicating a tornado, or also known as a debris ball. I can't see that on correlation coefficient, just maybe because it's not a strong tornado, but likely debris being lofted up just near Crabtree,
Yeah. South of
Canada.
it.
Yep.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, wouldn't be shocked if that's a tornado on the ground. Possibly a strong one. Just, I mean, even the multi-vortex tornado in what was that place there? On Ottawa. Ottawa. That didn't show up on reflectivity and correlation coefficient as a tornado, specifically correlation coefficient. So can't trust correlation up here,
Oh yeah.
apparently. But yeah, that's it. Probably a tornado on the ground there.
Yep. Yeah, definitely possible tornado on the ground in near Crabtree, Canada. So we'll take a look at that. Trying to see if any storm chasers are live. Yeah, so I don't know. Don't have pictures or anything of the Colorado one. Hello there, Explorer. How are you doing today? Thank you for joining today's stream. Really appreciate it. Let's go back to that Colorado storm. It definitely still could be rotating. Also, I did notice we did get a new subscriber. Thank you to whoever that was. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So definitely decent storms in Colorado. They're trying to rotate. There should have been 21 earlier. I mean, hey, I guess they saw that those storms were gonna come in interfere with that storm. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about this storm. I say if those these rain showers can stop going into that storm, 'cause that's what's messing it up. And we'll see. We're gonna see this on this Colorado storm. Let's go to that Texas one in Amarillo. Definitely getting bigger. Won't be surprised if that goes severe one soon. Go to Nebraska. Got these storms right here. Pretty much there's gonna be some hailers and winds. Mainly hail though is the primary threat from what it looks like. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Yeah. Also, Explorer, if you're still here, if you haven't already, you can like the stream also, so it pushes the stream out to more people, so we can give people the coverage that they need. Cause liking the stream, I don't even ask that you subscribe. You can if you want to. Cause if you want coverage, I'll give you coverage. Obviously whenever I'm not busy. But yeah, so also just like the stream. It helps YouTube do its thing and pushes the stream out to more people. But yeah, we got some storms in North Dakota also. Got a lot of storms firing in North Dakota also. Would not be surprised if would not be surprised if we get maybe some large hail with these storms in North Dakota. We also got a couple. This one is like a monster hailer, unwarned, but yeah, definitely, definitely big hailer with these storms in South Dakota also. We got a lot of storms. We got like 8 storms, maybe a lot more than 8. Yeah. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. We'll be live here for another maybe 2 hours, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Well, it all depends on what happens with these storms. Yeah, I do think we could see a tornado with some of these storms that are ahead of this line. What I would not be surprised, really. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe tornado possible with some of these storms. Yeah, tornado possible with this storm. Definitely not surprised about that. Thank you, Explorer. That means a lot to me. Really appreciate it. Also, if you want to, you can share this channel with your friends and family, so we can also let them know what weather could possibly come in their way. If you also have any friends or family in Colorado, New York, Canada, share this channel with them also. because we are giving them live coverage. Basically, if you see anyone in the dark green or yellow or orange, those are main parts of severe weather today. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see on these storms and there's one in Colorado. The one that was tornado warned is now not even a severe warned. So that's good. All right. So we'll see. I think the storm also, yeah, these storms are not severe one anymore. Now they just extended this. They just extended this.
Hey, Lucky.
Yes.
Two things. They just expired that tornado warning, and both of those storms in Colorado are no longer severe. And we
One,
also
they just
have,
issued that a severe.
they did, for the southern one.
Yep.
Yeah, I expected that one. I called that out. We also have a considerable in New York now for, I think, yeah, damaging winds. 70 miles per hour.
Hmm.
That's your first considerable in New York. And man, that line is really started to break up.
Yeah, I did notice that.
I don't know how much longer you'll be live. I may be live for about another hour or so.
Yeah, it really just depends on these storms.
I think Colorado has the best shot for tornadoes here.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Behind Canada, obviously.
Yeah,
We're gonna
behind Canada.
continue. We'll continue seeing tornado warnings likely for the next 2-3 hours in Canada. But yeah, main thing is the considerable in New York.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Yeah, so don't know how long we will be live for. Like I said, like TRD said, he is gonna be live for like about another hour. So we'll see. May stay live for a little bit after he ends. Not sure though, but we'll see. Yeah, so right now really just watching these storms. Let's see what the storm chaser is saying. See what he's doing. I think he's going to the other storm. I think he's going to the southern one maybe. Don't know though. We will see. If we see this move real quick. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's gonna go target this storm now. It does have a tornado possible tag on it, so go check this. Yeah, it's still a pretty decent storm. Should be severe within the next maybe 15 minutes, something like that. But definitely would not be surprised if we get any more tornado warnings with this storm. Would not be surprised at all. Yeah, this one right here in Colorado definitely, that was tornadic earlier. Definitely died out from all that rain that went into the storm. So yeah. All right. Yeah, so we'll keep doing coverage for right now. Like I said, I don't know how long we'll do coverage for, but all right. We're gonna we're gonna watch these storms in Colorado mainly, but we'll also go back to New York as we have ooh, West Virginia also where they added that new 2% tornado. Definitely definitely some severe storms there.
Lucky.
Yes.
I wanted to tell you, did you see the high end warning there in Colorado? It's for a tornado possible, 70-mile-an-hour winds and 2-inch hail.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. And another severe for 1.5-inch hail to the left slash west of that
Yeah.
main storm. Yeah, just wanted to see if you saw that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this Colorado storm as it's maybe I think it may start try to rotate again. I don't know. It does have 20 possible tag on it, so we'll see. All right. Would not be surprised if we could see another tornado in Colorado. And what just happened? All right, there you go. Yeah, I think the storm may start to rotate again, but I don't know though. We'll see. This one is now not at severe limits, so we're gonna we're just gonna wait and see what these Colorado storms do. They just put a special weather statement on it, so that's good. Got some storms in we got some storms in North Carolina also, and Virginia. Definitely definitely should be severe probably for 1 inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Yep. Hold on real quick, y'all. Give me like 30 seconds. All right.
Hey, Lucky.
Yep.
Those storms in eastern North Dakota on top of the radar, there is tornado possible. Severe is on one of them. Towards Fargo, North Dakota, there's 4 cells that have fired in that region.
Yeah.
Eastern North Dakota. I just didn't know if you saw that tornado possible severe in that area. And that is it.
Yeah. So like Terry said, there is a tornado possible tag on There's storm in North Dakota, so we can also keep an eye on this storm too. May start rotating, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't think we have a risk of tornadoes. Uh, and yeah, we don't have a risk, but that doesn't mean we won't see one. They are in a marginal risk for severe weather though, so that's still something to point out. All right, definitely. All right. So we're gonna wait for these next for these next scans. We did just get one for. We'll see right here. Yeah, we'll see. They may become tornadic within the next like half hour. So yeah, definitely something to keep an eye on. That's for sure. This Colorado one is also trying to form. Yeah, let's take a look at some models.
Hey, Lucky.
Yes.
Tornado warning has been issued for southeastern Manitoba, Canada, near Winnipeg. Don't know if you saw that. A decent couplet of rotation with a very low resolution uh, supercell. Just wanted to bring that to your attention.
All right. Yeah, definitely see that. So if you are in this polygon, please be in your safe spot. Don't try and go outside and see the tornado. So yeah, definitely be in your safe spot. All right. My bad, I had to do something for a minute. But yeah, I think this storm is gonna start rotating and possibly drop another tornado. If it gets its act together, I think it will. Uh, real quick, let's take a look at we have a day 2 marginal risk for parts of the Mid Atlantic. So parts of New York again. We also have a slight risk for Oklahoma City, and we got slight risk for Tulsa, Wichita, Kansas. Yeah, definitely parts of Oklahoma and Kansas, and a little part of Texas also. Marginal risk up here in Michigan. So we'll take a look at models for that area. All right, we'll see. Let's go to 18Z. We definitely Definitely should be maybe let's see what the tornado threat is. Less than 2% all areas. Yep. I mean, we'll see. I mean, it looked decent. They look like some decent storms right here. Oh no, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see if we'll stream. Probably not, but maybe if a tornado risk gets added, we may stream. But I don't know yet. So yeah. Now let's go check for the uh Mid Atlantic, and let's see what happens tomorrow.
Hey, Lucky.
Yep,
Wanted to tell you, Hurricane Calvin has officially formed. It is currently undergoing a eye wall cycle. It's attempting to get that eye. I expect it will more than likely have that eye by probably tomorrow morning near 8 a.m. I think it will have that eye completely formed. And it's going to be heading towards Hawaii, more than likely as a tropical storm. So I may do live coverage on that Wednesday night, depending on when it does impact Hawaii. But very cool looking hurricane out there, not impacting a single soul, but our fish, poor fish out there. But it is officially a hurricane now with about, I think, 80, 90-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not sure what the hurricane status is.
it is 80 mile per hour.
Yeah, 70 knots, so that's 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, I mentioned that earlier briefly. I really briefly just said here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're very confident on the track of this. It will impact Hawaii. Now, the strength is very undetermined there. It may be a low end tropical storm or maybe even a depression by the time it hits Hawaii. But it will hit Hawaii at some point.
yeah,
But yeah, just wanted to tell you that.
yep. So let's see the Mid Atlantic. This is like early morning, so definitely got decent storms. We'll see. And I'm pretty sure that there may be a day 3 module for the Mid Atlantic also. Nope. Michigan, Indianapolis, Ohio, Tennessee, parts of West Virginia and Virginia, part of the mountains in North Carolina. Yeah, so also Kentucky too, I'm pretty sure. We'll see. Yeah, tomorrow gets a tornado threat. We may go live for it. Don't know. It's a maybe. Cause I may be busy also, so I don't know. Well, yeah, we'll see. Let's go check these storms again. This storm in Colorado is definitely strengthening. Definitely trying to rotate, I think. Won't be surprised if I see that storm in North Dakota also. It had a tornado possible tag on it. Still does. Looks like it's weakened a little bit though. But we'll see.
Got another thing, Lucky.
Yep.
All right, so using that southeastern radar site, Albany radar in New York, look to the considerable severe. And there is two areas of pretty tight rotation here. Now, there's a high chance it's corruption, but it's something to point out as it could be quick spin up QLCS tornadoes ongoing towards, I think that's like Salisbury and up towards, let's see, Avery's place. So those two regions there, inside the southern extent of that considerable severe for 70-mile-an-hour winds.
Yeah, I do see that.
Yeah, but there's a good chance it's corruption, but still something worth mentioning, and that will be all.
All right. All right. Let's go back to Canada real quick and see if we can see any uh rotation or anything. Maybe some slight rotation, but maybe nothing that will warrant a tornado warning. Maybe this one. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see actually. Yeah, let's go to yep, like I'm pointing out like 20 minutes ago, that storm in Amarillo is severe warned. So that's definitely pointed that out uh about 20 minutes ago. So yeah, not surprised about that though. They are right next to a slight risk of severe weather, so kind of makes sense. And let's take a look at we can do take a look at the GFS model. All right. Let's see what if there's anything on the maybe a tropical system in the Gulf around, but that this is like anything past 200 hours is basically like la la land is what we like to call it. So yeah, definitely still something to watch though. That'd be like end of July. Yeah, so we'll see. Well, let me take a look at this. Let's see if we can get a good sounding. A lot of cape, nothing really severe at all. Let's take a look at actually let's go to the NAM. Look at this also. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. We'll definitely see what these storms. We'll see what they can do. Wouldn't be surprised if let me check this storm in Colorado from the Chaser. A lot of hail reports with them though. So that's something maybe large hail falling. That storm did just get severe warned. The one that was that should have been tornadic earlier. So we'll see. May start to try and rotate again. Won't be
Hey, Lucky.
pretty sure he's gonna tell us about the Colorado one, maybe. Yep.
Likely a tornado on the ground just to the south of Montreal, Canada. A
Hmm.
very tight, double tight couplet of rotation there inside of a rain shower, and they are not under a tornado warning as of now. So, yeah, wouldn't be surprised to see a tornado on the ground with that cell just to the south of Montreal, Canada.
Yep. I definitely see that.
And that's it from me. By the way, I think I'm gonna end in 20 minutes. I don't think tornadic activity will continue to be a problem here, and that's mainly what I was wanting to cover. So, without many tornado warnings, or actually any in the U.S., not a huge concern of tornadoes, and not really a reason to be alive.
Yeah.
except for severe weather. But I mean, it's going to be difficult to track the severe weather because I mean, it's in freaking Vermont, Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, Montana, Kansas, pretty much 30 states. I'm not going to name them all off.
Yeah.
I'd have a radar open in every single state. I'd have over 30 of them open. So, yeah, that's it for me. But I don't know if you're going to end anytime soon.
Yeah. I don't know. I'll think about it. Watching these Colorado ones. If I think that they'll be tornadic, I may end at like about 40. That'd be 50 minutes, I think. Let me check. That'd be around 5:45.
All right.
So about like 30 minutes after you would end.
Okay.
But I'll see. Yeah, so I'll see about ending. Don't know. We're gonna watch these Colorado storms, really, as they have the best tornado threat right now. So yeah, if nothing happens with these storms, we'll probably end at 5:15. But if I think something's gonna happen, then we'll see. Yeah,
Just a quick update, Lucky.
yep,
The National Weather Service in Chicago has confirmed 7 tornadoes from yesterday's supercells there. I think
man,
one's EF1, two are EF0s, and not sure about the other ones.
probably still
Um,
rating it.
yeah, I believe that we'll at least get one EF2, maybe even an EF3 out of them.
Yeah,
But they did increase those tornado counts from, I think it was from 4 to 7. But
yep.
that's it. Just to tell you and update you about that. So
Alrighty. Yeah, well, yeah, we're watching these Colorado storms right now. Not sure. Should rotate more higher up. Maybe rotate more higher up. And we'll see. We shall see. Alright. We'll probably end in about like 17 minutes. Not sure though. If these don't look tornadic in about like 10, 15 minutes, yeah, we'll probably end there. I don't know about a live stream tomorrow. It all depends, really. Really just depends on what if there's a tornado risk getting added. But yeah. Um yeah. This is pretty far from the radar though, but yeah. So also I really thank anyone to who joined in today's stream. We'll be live still for about like 15 minutes, but I do want to thank y'all for joining. Really appreciate it. You know, we're gonna stay live for about 15 more minutes, maybe. I don't think these Colorado ones are gonna become tornadic. I mean, we'll see. They have a couple scans to do so. They are tornado possible though. I mean, hey, I don't know. But we'll see. Check the one in North Dakota. I haven't checked in a while. But yeah. Um. All right. They're definitely still tornado possible with uh those that storm in North Dakota. Definitely also a possible tornado with this one in Canada also. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe possible breeze spin ups in the line still. Those are still possible though. Yeah, we'll probably end in about 14 minutes. Yeah, we'll probably end about 14 minutes, yeah. All right. Definitely definitely think that we could see maybe an isolated tornado for the rest of the day though. See that one in Amarillo real quick. Yeah, that one in Amarillo is really strong now. Lots of lightning with it. A lot of severe just got issued with that Colorado one. I'm debating on staying live for a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna become tornadic. Really don't know. I don't think it's gonna become tornadic. So yeah, we'll end in about like 13 minutes. Does a lot of DERS rotation maybe with it, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, yeah. We'll go over models for a second. Definitely for parts of tomorrow. Tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow for a stream, it's gonna be a maybe. Not sure. But yeah. So we'll see. We'll see for tomorrow. Let's check out what ingredients we have. Let's do updraft helicity. Yeah, definitely a lot of updrafts with it. We do lightning. Yeah, definitely a lot of supercells with it may look like an MCS also. I don't know. I mean, lot of cape, a lot of shear with it too. 0 to 1 kilometer SRH, decent maybe, maybe up to like 50. So that's all right. But yeah, let's see what the 0 to 3 is. The 0 to 3 is way more. So that's probably gonna be a thing to watch. Not sure. Oh, y'all give me a second. All right. But yeah. Um. Yeah. If you haven't already, go show Chargy some love.
Hey, Lucky, I'm getting close to ending, but I want to tell you something.
Yep.
I got a report of a massive rotating wall cloud in Hillsboro, North Dakota, and that does match with velocity. It's not a strong couplet at all, just to the south and southwest of Hillsboro, North Dakota. They are severe storms on top of a radar site. I'm sure you could see that tiny hook echo there. It is not the one with a tornado possible tag, surprisingly.
Hmm.
Also, tornado warnings continue up here in Winnipeg, uh, Canada, which I did expect that, but I'm wrapping it up here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So am I. All
All right. I'll get you back on here in probably 4 or 5 minutes.
right. But yeah. Oh. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what these storms in Colorado also. We're gonna go check them real quick. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna become tornadic. I mean, they. Ooh. This one's making me wanna stay. I don't know. Hey, TRG.
Yep.
Look at the Colorado storm, the more southern one, I guess you could say.
Already looking at it with that outflow boundary.
Yep,
Yeah.
it's making me
That's
wanna.
destructive as well.
Yeah, it's making
Oh,
me.
tornado possible.
Yeah,
Ooh.
that's what I'm saying. It has tornado possible. That's why I said I may go for an extra 30 minutes, but that's. I don't know.
All right. Well, I'm wrapping it up here if you want to end my stream, or if
Uh,
you just want me to end it.
yeah,
You just
yeah, you can. Yeah, you can end it.
All right. Y'all, go to Lucky's channel right here. Lucky's
This.
weather forecast. Let's get him to 100 subs. We got about 29 people watching. He's what, 24 away.
Yeah,
Go subscribe to him. Go watch him. Try to be a bit more energetic here, but hey, I understand. So go watch him. He's
yeah,
live right now, as you can see. He'll be live maybe for another hour till 6 or so.
yeah. We'll
So
see.
yeah, go subscribe to him. Go watch him. We're ending here, so yeah. Lucky, you want to say bye to stream?
Bye, y'all.
I may hop in and help you a little bit, Lucky,
Yeah,
if you don't mind.
yeah, you can. I'm fine with that.
There is a new severe thunderstorm watch that just got issued for South Dakota. I already showed my stream. Don't know if you did show yours there.
South Dakota, you said.
Yep. But all right, I'll talk to you in a little bit here.
All right. Yeah. So we're definitely. We'll probably go for another like 30 minutes to an hour, maybe. 'Cause I do have confidence in that Colorado storm. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it is still in the I'm pretty. Hello there, hello there, chaos. How you doing today? Thank you for joining today's stream. Also, by the way, I really appreciate it. Yeah. So Parliament. Hello there. How y'all doing today? Yeah, right now we have I'm gonna check this other Colorado storm. Doesn't look to be rotating barely. So I was gonna ask you if you had your own YouTube channel on Discord. Yeah, I do. I've been like, I really have just been like saying, oh, I'm a post, but then don't post. Or I'm a stream, then I don't stream. But we're we're for real this time. We're definitely for real. I do enjoy streaming. But yeah, so yeah, we'll be streaming a lot more. May do a stream tomorrow, don't know. I mean, if a tornado threat does get added, yeah, it's literally how I've been for like the past 2 3 months. You're right, Parliament. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, 5%. Yeah, so we're gonna be really just keeping an eye on this Colorado storm. Don't know what it will do. So yeah, we'll probably stay live for another 30 minutes maybe for that. But yeah. So so thank you guys for joining today's stream. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or when I make a video. Also share with your friends and family so we can get the word out to people and we can let them know what weather is coming their way. And yeah, definitely, yeah, we'll be on here way more. Yeah, so this one in Colorado, it's got that outflow boundary with it too. I think it just updated. It may start rotating. I mean, it's definitely rotating for sure. That hook is also with the outflow boundary. Yes, you do. You do, Parliament. Also, thank you guys for whoever subscribed. We got 2 more subscribers, so thank y'all. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this Colorado storm. I'm just gonna take advantage of staying live. Might as well. But yeah. Hope you guys are having a good day today, though. But yeah, let's go to Nebraska. Let's see those storms real quick. Yeah, definitely just really big hailers. 1 for 1 inch hail and 60 mile per hour winds. Yeah, let's go to South Dakota also. A lot of wind and hailers. Mainly hail. Let me put the outlook back on. Yeah, definitely moving into more of the slight risk. So maybe they'll ramp up even more. Then, yeah, do have a tornado warning in Canada. I was looking at this earlier. Said that there could be a tornado on the ground, maybe. Definitely, still could be. Definitely, probably some still tight rotation with it. Yeah. Um. Oh, there's a tornado warning right here for parts of Canada. Let's uh let's look at that real quick. Yeah, definitely. I definitely think there's gonna be there's rotation with this storm. Some decent rotation with it. Yeah. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. Let's go to New York also. We have storms in there too. Pretty sure there's one storm right here, basically right next to the radar. I still think we could see a brief spin up in this line. Definitely would not be surprised at all. It is already halfway into the 5% tornado risk. So yeah, we'll we'll see. We'll see what happens with these storms in New York. Big severe thunderstorm warning just got canceled. I mean, today was It was an alright day for severe weather so far. I mean, it's still gonna be continued for the rest of the day, but for tornadoes, we did get one in what's it called, Colorado, that was confirmed by weather spotters. So not surprised. Not surprised if we will see a tornado with maybe with these storms also. I mean, this storm right here looks like it could be possibly rotating. We'll see. I think that's why they did add a 2% tornado risk with that. Yeah. So, I mean, really just a waiting game right now, really. Yeah, some of these are let's put the outlook back on. Yeah, take a look at Texas also. There was a severe storm in Texas near Amarillo. Like I said earlier, lots of lightning with it. I mean, man, that's. Did you watch that chaser earlier, Lucky? Which chaser are you talking about? I was watching I was watching one chaser. I don't know if I'm allowed to say his name or not, but I was watching him. He was on these Colorado storms. No, there's severe in Texas also. I'm getting food. I will be here around 5:30. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, I was watching him. I still am because I think this Colorado storm is gonna try something. Don't know about this one though. He's on this one, but I mean it may start rotating. I don't know. I mean we'll see, really. I mean it really just depends. Scott this guy looked crazy green. It was pretty cool looking. Yeah, that is pretty cool actually. Let's see if we have any other chasers on this one. Nope, no we don't. Hmm. I think he's going to this storm also. I don't blame him for going to this storm. I mean, may look like he's in the middle. Oh yeah, he is in the middle of them. I think he's going to this one that has a tornado possible tag on it. I think that's what he's going for. Maybe he thinks that there could be a tornado with it. I mean, it does say tornado possible, so I mean, hey, I mean, we'll keep an eye on it for however long we need to. Yeah. Um, if you guys haven't already, just you don't even have to subscribe. I mean, subscribe would be awesome. But really, just like the stream, and YouTube will do its thing and push it out to more people. I think right now yeah, I think we've reached over like people that have seen the thumbnail. I think it's about, let me check. About like 40 people, about. Not too much, but I got you on the sub already. Thank you, Chaos. I really appreciate it. But yeah. So this Colorado storm, I'm telling you, bro. That I think the reason why I'm saying live is because I really do think it's gonna produce. I really do think so. I mean, it has a good environment around it. So it tells you how many people see your thumbnail. That's crazy. Yeah, I think right now, yeah, right now it's at 38. So yeah, well, I don't really have a goal for that, but Yeah, so yeah, Storm Chaser is heading toward that storm, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he definitely is. I think the storm is starting to like get its rotation with the hook. I mean, hey, I mean it's rotating. It's definitely rotating. Really close to the radar site, so I mean, I don't know. Definitely that alpha boundary is somewhat still there. Yeah, I mean, man, I said that this storm could become tornadic about right here, which was about like almost an hour ago. After it got tornado warned, I said it may become tornadic again. Man, that's crazy. So definitely think I do need food too, but I forgot TRG is going to get food. So yeah, we'll end here in about, oh, this thing's not loading. Okay, 1 second. There we go. Just had to reboot it real quick. Man, this storm is I think is destructive if I'm not mistaken. Oh, we do have a tornado warning in New York. Tornado warning is in New York right now. They just issued that. And they just issued it. So we do have a tornado warning in New York right now. We are gonna have to lead this storm real quick. But yeah, definitely definitely we're gonna keep an eye on the Colorado storm, but I know our main threat right now is this tornado warning in New York. So I think that's it right there. Let me check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it right there. So yeah, this expires in about 22 minutes, so if nothing happens by the end of the warning, then we'll maybe end. Don't know. Probably stay alive for a little bit more. So yeah, definitely all right. Um hey, by the way, is my stream lagging for y'all? Um I'm getting a notification that it's like, let me see. Is it lagging for y'all? Let me make sure. Not for you. All right. Cause it's I'm getting like an error. It says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. So, also, hello, Diana. How are you doing today? Yeah, so I don't know. It's smooth. All right, that's good. Man, YouTube lying to me. Um, yeah, I do have a chaser. We do have a 21 in New York. I'm about to say North Carolina or something. Woo. In New York right now. So that's what we're gonna be covering right now. We'll be going back and forth with the 21 storm and the Colorado storm. Is definitely where the rotation would be. Definitely, definitely, if you're in this warning, please go to your safe spot. Do not try and go outside and see if there's a tornado. Don't take any chances. Just go to your safe spot, most interior room of your home. that like your bathroom. Any stay away from windows too. So yeah, definitely definitely be away from windows. That's for sure. Also, if you want to, go turn on to your local news channel if they're doing severe weather coverage. If they're not, that's why I'm here. Yeah. So we're gonna be covering this tornado warning. Definitely, definitely was expecting a tornado warning for New York at some point because like I said at the beginning of the stream, when I would not be surprised if we see a brief spin up. But yeah, there's your tornado warning. Now I do want to go back and check the Colorado one real quick. That definitely think is. I think it may. I think it may form. I don't know. Let's look at this one real quick. Yeah, nothing impressive. For rotation wise, definitely 1.5 inch hail and 60 mile per hour winds with this storm in Colorado right here. This one that may get tornado warned. 2.75 inch hail and 70 mile per hour winds. And it is destructive. Yeah. Of course, the New York Nader right after I end. Classic. Lily, it's a classic TRG moment. That's for sure. So yeah. Um, I don't know. We'll see what this New York one. I'm pretty sure there's probably like a million people in this warning, so I might be surprised. Wait, are you in this light? No, you're just near it. You're near it though. So, hey man, I mean, hey TRG, you laughing? Are you in that marginal? I think you are. Yeah, you are. How about to say I about to say you're not in the marginal, but I think you are. You could walk to it. Hmm. This storm right here is also catching my eye. I mean, there is a 2%. Who's in a Who's in a thunderstorm risk? I am in a thunderstorm risk. That's me. That's my name. Yeah, let's go back to New York. Definitely definitely still some rotation. Probably some weak rotation, definitely. I'm guessing it was enough to warrant a tornado warning. And let's go to another storm in Colorado. Just got severe warning. Tornado possible also? Man. Hey man, I don't know. You have a closer radar? No. No. Well, oh, you hear the dog? Yeah, my dog likes to go crazy sometimes. I need to like fix it to where I know I can fix it to where you can't hear it. Trying to see. I'm trying to wait for my dog to bark and see if how loud it is. Is it loud though? Is Yeah, this one's definitely rotating. But yeah, I mean, oh, uh, not loud. All right, but yeah. Oh yeah, hold on, y'all. Give me like 30 seconds.
I don't think Lucky's here. Ah, I'm eating my food. I heard him say 30 seconds. Hi, Parliament. Bye. Before he comes back. Bye.
Sorry about that, y'all.
I think he's dead.
Nope. I'm here. I had to go do something.
I'm eating my food.
Nice.
I won't go get more.
This-
When are you ending?
Probably about 15.
When the warning's off?
Yep.
Yeah, top of the hour is, yeah, 14. All right.
Yeah. So yeah. We will end in about like 13 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, 13 minutes. What? Yeah. We're gonna end in about 13 minutes. Uh, a live stream for tomorrow. Yeah, I know that. I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what you meant by that, TRG. I don't know if you can still hear me, but top of the hour is in 28. Yeah, we'll end in like 13 minutes. We may do a stream tomorrow. Don't know. I mean, if they add a tornado risk, what's your risk for tomorrow? Uh, you are in thunderstorm. Thunderstorm risk. So, yeah. Yeah, TRG, you got me confused. Yeah. Let's switch this back to day one. Yeah. So, we're gonna like keep an eye on this storm for the next like 10 minutes. But I don't wanna pull a TRG moment where as soon as I end, this storm goes tornado warned. But hey, I don't know. It may, I don't know. I really don't. It was trying to. I wanted to make Lucky confused. You both have more than me for once. Yep. Tomorrow, also TRG. I don't know if you saw models. We'll we'll take a look at it real quick, just for a brief minute. So we got uh there you go for tomorrow. So this is tomorrow 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. I forgot which one it is. 1 or 2 p.m. We got some clusters. I definitely think it may be worth a marginal risk, but yeah, definitely. I don't know. It may not even happen. I don't think it's probably gonna happen because recently with North Carolina weather, really we've been under North Carolina and Virginia weather. We've been under slight risks, and nothing happened. So yeah, we'll see. Also Saturday looks like maybe some thunderstorms. We're not in a marginal risk then, but time for tomorrow about around like for me it's around like 5, and then later after 5 for you. I don't know. maybe like just before 5, maybe just after it, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. So you said enhancements too? What do you mean? I mean, yeah, yeah, yes, TRG. I know we have an enhanced risk. All right. There's that alpha boundary with that storm. We have another tornado possible down here. Oh yeah, yeah, we did. That made me mad. A lot of storms in Texas right now also. Yeah, so we're gonna end here in about 9 minutes. I may be busy tomorrow, so I don't know about a stream. If I'm not busy and they add a tornado threat, then maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Hey, Lucky, is pink fine? Let's see. Where is? I don't need a. Where is that at? I know where it's at. I don't want to use the thing. I don't want to like search it up. I want to find it myself. But I feel like we'll be here forever. So we'll just do see, I knew it was right there. Is pink fine? Let's see. There's no radar there. Um, don't know. Probably not. Do you guys plan on doing short forecasting or something around those lines, or do you guys just cover the risky stuff? So like, are you talking about like videos, like video wise or something like that? What do you mean he doesn't get the joke? I know. Pink is fine. Pink is fine right now. Videos, me? All right. Videos. All right. We're gonna work on that. Videos for me. I'm working on it. Just gotta get the time to do it. Yeah, Palmer. Pink is fine. Definitely. Totally. Pink's totally fine. Yeah, so totally fine. That's for sure. Nah, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know. Who knows? Uh, yeah, videos. We're gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on that. Videos. Maybe do like one or two a week. What is that? Microphone? Wait, you want me to be louder? I can be louder if you want me to. Yeah, so I don't think this storm is gonna produce. That's a leg. That looks like a microphone. Hold on. Give me one second. I need to like look up to my computer. Nah, bro, that looks like a microphone, bro. Tell me that does not look like a microphone if you look at it far away. That's a leg. After watching you and TRG the day you called the weather service, you guys became my go-to. Law. Yeah, that bro, that was crazy. Really. I'm glad that we are your go-to. Let me close Epic Pen. I don't need that. Um, yeah, I don't think this one in New York's gonna produce. Not sure. Probably won't though. Yeah, we are coming. We are coming to an end. Let me take my last water break. That's what I'm saying. The first one looked like a mic. All right, let's go look at North Dakota real quick because I know there was storms that were tornado possible. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think tornado possible anymore. Now that is a robot head. Let's take a look at Nebraska. Man, look at that. Look at that outflow boundary. And that's crazy. All right. Yeah, we are coming to an end in about 3 minutes. We'll end. But we're gonna do the outro in about 2 minutes, around there. Mouse over what you're talking about for the outflow right quick. All right, got you. I should actually I can still draw right here.
You got to end in 4.
Boy, boy, I know. Yeah, so that's the outflow. That's slowly moving southwest. Yeah, of course. Ooh. Hmm. Yeah. All right, y'all. I do think that is gonna be it for today's stream. If you guys, you too, Diana. Thank you for joining also. And I hope you have a good evening too. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's stream, please, please like and subscribe and turn the toast. I said toast. Man. Turn the post notification bell on so you do get notified when I do go live or when I do make a video. Thank you, Chaos. I really appreciate it. Yeah, toast is crazy. And you too, take it easy. But yeah. So yeah, please like I said, share the channel with your friends and family so we do get the word out to people and we can let them know what weather is coming their way. Yeah, but yeah. Man, come on. But yeah, you already know. That's my go-to line. Anyways, but yeah, toast. Gracious day is TRG's. Thank you, TRG for joining. Thank you, Parliament. Thank you, Explorer. Thank you, Hank. Thank you, Chaos. And thank you, Diana, for joining. I really appreciate y'all. I hate F1. Man, F1's not bad at all. Alright. Bye, Parliament. Thank you for joining today. Really appreciate it. One last time. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Hope you have a nice